Oh, it's a dough. I love making doughs. Now it's gonna be sticky like Play-Doh.
Hey, that's good. Okay.
You have to put it carefully, okay?
Welcome to Ken's Kids Channel.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken, and here's my cousin Kiara. And today, we're gonna make donuts for our snack.
Yeah! And here are our ingredients.
Yes, this is our ingredients. So this is sugar. And that's what this called. It's a
Okay,
salt.
that's sugar. Oh, that's salt. Okay, we have salt.
This is milk.
Milk. 1/2 cup of milk.
What do they milk? Need milk.
And yes, and what else?
Empty bowl. And then
There's an empty bowl.
this.
Okay. Okay, that's not included. Okay, let's get the empty bowl.
An egg. That's an egg. It's an egg.
No, that's not an egg.
What's that? Oil?
It's melted
Butter.
butter.
Oh, what's this?
And we have
What's that?
dry yeast.
Dry
2
yeast.
teaspoons dry yeast.
And
And flour. 2 cups of flour. Okay, are we ready?
yes! And guys, we need also 1 egg.
Yes. Okay, there's an egg for our donuts. Okay, first we're going to mix all dry ingredients.
So we need this. Like,
Yeah.
oh, that's why.
Okay.
Salt
Okay.
and
No, is that a dry ingredient?
oh,
Okay, these are the dry ingredients.
flour.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, good idea, Tigil. And sugar.
Your bowl is quite small. Is that okay?
And a salt.
Do we need a bigger bowl?
Oh my gosh, we just put your. Oh yeah.
There's another dry ingredient over here.
Oh,
The
yeah.
dry yeast.
Dry yeast. Dry Easter egg.
Dry yeast.
Easter egg.
Okay, then mix all together.
Mush. So now we already have a bigger bowl.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, what did you do? No, it was you. Some of it smells like milk.
Mmm, yummy.
It smells like milk flour.
Do you like it?
It's a new ingredient, milk flour. In a separate bowl, we're gonna mix the wet ingredients.
Okay.
Again, this one. What's this? Oh,
Melted butter.
I'm using a potion. I'm using a potion. Ooh, it's an egg. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to break an egg.
Oh, wait. Okay, I'll break it.
It's so, the egg is so very hard.
The egg.
Mix the flour. Next, we're gonna mix the wet and dry ingredients.
Okay.
Mix it again. Oh, it's a dough. I love making doughs. Now it's gonna be sticking like a Play-Doh. Play-Doh. It's not Play-Doh. Now it's Play-Doh.
Yummy.
Oh, because of the
yummy.
egg. Because of the egg.
Quite
It's so
sticky.
Because of the egg. Hey, flour, come in. Need flour. Flour.
Oh no, what happened? Something is sticking over there. Can you get it?
It's kneading time, and we're gonna do this about 15 minutes. Ooh, we need strong hands for this.
Okay.
So we put some flour right here.
Like
so they
just
won't
very
stick,
little
so that it
flour.
won't stick.
Yeah. Not too much. Okay, not too much flour. Okay,
Hey.
keep on pressing.
Hi everybody, catch! Look like a ball. Press! 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 Press!
Okay, can you follow after
Yes.
Cara Gale? Okay. Yeah, like that. You're going to roll it and
Wash your hands properly with soap before handling the dough.
okay, that's good. Okay, you're going to take it for about 15 minutes. How are you?
Good.
Are you having fun eating the dough?
Yeah. Eating the dough?
Yeah, that's a dough for donuts.
Eating.
Kneading. I said kneading. Okay, look at
your
guys.
fingers.
Okay, you can also try making donuts at home.
When it's so
I think-
sticky.
Yeah. So yummy. You press, Ken. Yeah. Okay, you fold and then press with your
And go.
heel. This one.
Put the dough in the lightly greased bowl.
Let's put the dough. Okay, let's put the dough into the lightly greased bowl. And then,
It's annoying.
okay, let's put a little oil. And then,
Spread it.
yeah, let's just spread.
Let's cover it for 1 hour.
Okay, let's wait for 1 hour. Okay, bye.
1 hour has passed. Let's check it out.
Okay, let's see.
It's so big.
It gets bigger.
Wait, what's this? This is dirt.
So we're going to deflate it.
It's a deflate.
Deflate, like get the air. Okay, like this.
That's what we do. Like this?
Yeah, like that.
You can just
and
like
then
this.
afterwards, we're going to get it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Up, 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 and then put them
And,
there.
and put that into a pizza.
There. And then we're going to, okay, make it into a roll. Can you roll it like a worm?
Now we're gonna flatten it.
Okay, using a rolling pin, but we don't have a rolling pin. So we're just going to use a glass. Be careful with the glass.
Wet.
Don't push it so hard. Okay?
Kind of wet. Already flattened. We're gonna use a donut cutter.
To shape the dough.
Ready?
Okay. Okay, you are going to do it like this.
Try.
Let me try if you can. Left and right. Like a
Steering wheel.
clock. Oh, like a clock.
It's a steering wheel.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh no. Again, more press.
Guys, look at the donut. This looks like a rotten.
Let me see.
Look at this donut, guys. It's rotten old dude. Okay, I'll get it.
Okay.
Get it. Let me see. Look at this donut.
Then
this
go
is
to the next.
me. Let's shape more donuts.
Okay.
We also like to make some donut balls, so we made them.
Okay. Where? Okay, let's form more.
Ball, like a ball.
Yeah.
golden balls. Dragon balls!
Dragon balls. Okay, here are our donuts. We'll cover them. Then they will be ready to cook.
And you put it here. Oh,
So it can rise.
balls. Sorry. Cover them about 1 hour and they're gonna be ready to cook.
Okay, great job. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. Like 1 hour, like, and 2 hours.
Yeah.
We can't wait for 1 hour. So we're just gonna cook 30 minutes.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Need to put carefully, okay?
Slowly.
Mama was looking. Where's Mama? Can I see? Oh, that's what Mama did. Like, untie. Don't touch that. Little more. Oh, I ate it. I ate it. Big.
Go.
Here are the cooked ones. And there
Yay.
are 4.
Yummy.
2 for me, 2 for Ken.
Okay, let's
This
try.
mine is sugarless.
You
Try
eat them.
it. Oh, hot, 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 hot.
It's hot.
My papa will also eat the donuts too. A long time.
Okay. Mm. How does it taste? Yummy? How does it taste, Ken? What is the taste? Do you like it?
Tastes like a dough.
Like a dough? Mm.
Papa's. My cousin Koya Ramke will eat with me too.
Yes, where's Kuya Ramke? Come on, Kuya Ramke. There's Kuya Ramke. Oh, there. Hi, Kuya Ramke. Okay, let's taste. You taste the donuts. What can you say about the donuts?
It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Yeah. It's sugary because there's sugar.
Sugary. It's sugary.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like our video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Have a great day.
Bye.